Now I'm going to show you how to navigate through the song panel here. So for example, I want to add a new song, so I need to click on this add a new song here. So it will show me this, that okay, which song did I want to add. Okay, for example, I'm adding a hymn. What? I'm adding hymn 34. That's in 34. So I'm going to look for the hymn where I kept it. HFC hymn. So okay, let me see. I don't have 34 here. Let me make use of 35. I hope might. So let me just copy this hymn. This is the author of the hymn, the Francis Avaga. But we don't need that for now. Let me just change to 35. So this is where I'll put the hymn. So I click on edit all and I paste the hymn here, right here. So I can easily adjust the indents successfully without any problem. So you keep on doing this. It's just once and for all. When you're done with it, you can't come back and do it again. So another important thing I want you to know is that is to put the verses in the order of verses. So this is verse 2. Automatically it's in verse 2. Okay. For example, let's say this song is having a chorus after each verse. For example, now after this song now, then there's a chorus like, oh, sing for joy. That's the chorus. So up here, I will change it to chorus. Then you see automatically it changes to 1. So I just say insert. So after verse 1, that's chorus 1. Then after verse 2, maybe there's another chorus here. God is good, for example. So that means I come here, and immediately you can see the chorus has changed to 2. So I just say insert. So that's just it. For if the song is having a chorus, but if it's not, just keep on inserting the verse. So our song has no chorus, so it shows the verses. So I'll put the verse, and when we are done, we say okay. So this is the first stage. Another stage is to set the order of the verse, which is the verse 1, space bar, verse 2, press space bar, which is for space, verse 3, verse 4. You can see it disappears when you have inserted, when you have successfully inserted the verses. And you need to click on the author here so that you put the author of the song because of copyright. So this is my author. I copy it right now, and I will say okay, manage authors topic songs book. So I'll say okay, this author, then add, then I put the first name. You can just do copy and paste. Copy, control, you highlight and you say Ctrl C. You right click and you see copy. You can say Ctrl C. Then here you highlight. You can see paste, Ctrl V. So that's just what I did. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So you just say save. So then you say close. So here you look for the author. It's Francis. You can search FRN. You can see Francis. So I choose this. Then okay, what kind of music? Is it world music? Anyone? You choose music, and you say add to song. So immediately it appears here. It's ready. You can just leave this once. Then just say okay. Since everything is set now, the title is set, the lyrics is set, the verse order is set, the author is set, and you say save. Wow! Look at our song right here. Our song is ready. So that's just it. You can go over the tutorial again to understand how it works. Thank you for watching. I'll move to the next tutorial.